Good morning children. Let us continue chapter 8, that is common factor and common multiples. Today we will see HCF. HCF by prime factorization method. What is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Understood? We will find out the prime factor. Which number will be highest, that will be the HCF of the given question. So today we will see HCF by prime factorization method. That is your exercise 8.5. Exercise 8.5, question number 1. It is MCQ. In MCQ, question number 1 is the prime factorization of 20 is. So here 20 is given. So first we will find out the prime factorization. Now smallest prime number is 2. So we will start by 2. When we will divide this 20 by 2, we will get 10. Again this 10 will divided by 2. 5 times 2 5 ja 10. Now 5 is the prime factor. As it is you can leave. Otherwise you can take 5 times 5 table 1 time. 5 1 ja 5. So what is the prime factorization of 20? 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. You can check your answer by multiplying this number. So which option is correct? That is your option number B. You will put tick mark in D. Understood? Now next question, it was 1. Now number 2 is the prime factorization of 100. So first we will find out the prime factorization of 100. Smallest prime number is 2. Then we will divide it 100 by 2. 2 5 ja 10. Then this 0 will 0 times. So 50. Again we will divide it by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 5 ja 10. So again this quotient will come here. 25. Now 25 is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. Not by 3, not by 4. It will go by 5 table. 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 1 ja 5. So what is the prime factorization of 100? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Which is your option number B. So you will put tick mark in D. Understood? Now next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is the HCF of 13 and 69. So here we will find the HCF of 13 and 69. First we will find out the prime factor of 13 and 69. Now 13 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Not 3, not 4, not 5. It will go by only 13 table. 13 1 ja 13. Now this 69. It is odd number, so it is, we will not take that 2, we will take 3. Check it. 3 2 ja 6. Then 3 3 ja 9. So 23 will come. This quotient you will write here. Now 23 is also a prime number. It will go by only 23 table. Otherwise you can leave here also. So what is the prime factor of 13? It is 13 into 1. And 69 is 3 into 23 into 1. Now you will see which is common. No number is common, only 1 you are seeing here. So its HCF is HCF of 13 and 69 is 1. So which is your correct answer? Your correct answer is number D. So you will put tick mark in D. Understood? Now next question is question number 4. In question number 4, the HCF of 10, 100 and 1000. So first we will find out the prime factor of 10. 2 5 ja 10. Then 5 1 ja 5. Now 100. 2 5 ja 10. 0. Then again you will divide it by 2. You will get 25. Now It will not go by 2, so we will take 5. 5 5 ja 25, then 5 1 ja 5. Next number is 1000. Divide it by 2 because it is even number. 2 5 ja 10, 0 0. Then we will divide it by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Again it will divide it by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now it is not divisible by 2. So we will take 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 5 ja 25. If you can't do orally you can divide this number. 125. 5 2 ja 10. Then 2. 5 5 ja 25. So what will come? 25. So again it is divisible by 5. 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 1 ja 5. Now write the prime factor of all these number. 2 into 5 into 1. You can write 1, or if you will not write then it also correct. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, and here 3 times 2 and 3 times 5. Now you will see the common. Which is common? 2 is common in all the number. Next, here 2 is not here. So 5 is common in all the number. Now it will not give any number. So common factor is 2 into 5. In all these factors you will see which is common. Then you will write. Then 2 5 ja 10. So HCF of 10, 100 and 1000 is 10. This is the answer. Which is your answer number C. You will put tick mark in C. Understood how to find out the HCF. Next question is, which is question number 5. Question number 5. In question number 5, the HCF of 1, 20 and 32. HCF of 1. So HCF of 1 is 1. Now you will find out the 32. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. 2 8 ja 16. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 1 ja 2. Next number is 20 is also there. So 32 first we find, 20 is also there. 2 10 ja 20. 2 5 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5. And when you will find out the LCM of 1, it will 1. Okay. So here we will write the, now after prime factor, we will write the prime factor of this number. 2 into 2 into 5, and 32 is 5 times 5. Now here only 1 is common in this number, so HCF of 1, 20 and 32 is 1. So which is your correct answer? Your correct answer is option number B. So we have completed MCQ. Now we will solve question number 2. In question number 2, find HCF by prime factor method. Number 1 is 24 and 30. First we will find out the prime factor of 24, and second number is 30. Now it is even number, so its smallest prime number we will take 2. It is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again we will take 2. 2 6 ja 12. Then 2 3 ja 6. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we will take 3. 3 1 ja 3. Again it is even number, so it will go by 2. You can check it. 2 1 ja 2. 2 5 ja 10. So what we will write here? 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So we will take next number. Next number is 3. 3 5 ja 15. Then 5 1 ja 5. Now we will write the prime factor of 24. 3 times 2 and then 3. And then 30. 2 into 3 into 5. Here we will see which is common. First we will see 2 is common in both the number, and here 3 is common. Only 2 and 3 is common. So common factor is 2 into 3. Therefore HCF of 24 and 30 is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. So it is the answer. Understood? Now question number 2 you have completed. Now next number is question number 2 is 36 and 45. Again we will find out the prime factor of 36 and 45. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18. It will not go by 2, so we will take 3. 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3. It is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. We will take 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. If you can't do orally, you can divide and see 15 will come. Then 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5. So you will write the factor of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and 45, 3 into 3 into 5. Now common factor of 36 and 45 is 2 times 3 is there in both the numbers. Only 2 times 3. 3 3 ja 9. Therefore HCF of 36 and 45 is equal to 9. This is the answer. Understood? So we have completed 2 questions. Now one more question we will see. Here 3 numbers are given. So we will see 3 numbers. HCF how to find. Number 3 is 12, 16 and 20. First we will find out prime factor of 12, then 16, then 20. When we will divide this 12, 2 6 ja 12, then 2 3 ja 6. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we will take 3. 3 1 ja 3. Next number is 16. It is also even number, so we will take the smallest prime number. 2 8 ja 16. Then 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Understood? It is also even number, so we will take 2. 2 10 ja 20. Then 2 5 ja 10. Then 5 1 ja 5. Now we will write the prime factor of all these number. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Now common factor of 12, 16 and 20. Which is common? 2 times you will see. 2 is common in all these. So 2 into 2. Other number is not here. So 2 2 ja 4. Therefore we will write HCF of 12, 16 and 20 is equal to 4. This is the answer. Now you will try to do, that is your question number 4 to 12. This question you will try to do. It is your homework. Thank you.